Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I will show how to record a simulator screen on macOS. Let's start. You can see I have opened an iPhone 12 simulator. Just click on the simulator and go to the left top. Click on File. Here you can see the record screen option. You can click on it and it starts to record the screen. But there is alternative way also. Place the cursor over the black strip of the simulator and press Option button in the keyboard. You can see the record screen icon. Click on it. It will start to record the screen. You need to again press the same icon to stop the recording. You can see the recorded video of the simulator. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.